Now I want to share a tutorial about how to remove a green screen. Let's say I have this one footage of anime zoom in green screen, and go to effect and preset and search key light. And then put it on the footage and pick the color picker on the screen color and click on the green part of the green screen. As you can see, now the green screen has been removed, and now the footage is now transparent. We can try to put another footage below the green screen. Let's say this footage, and as you can see now all the green color on the screen has been removed and only left anything but the green color like this. Please consider like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel for more tutorial contents. Thank you!